Hey guys, welcome. Now we are gonna to solve CodeChef Starters 3033 problem, which is non-adjacent flips. The given statement is you are given a binary string of length n and you can perform the operation on S. First operation is pick any set of indices such that no two picked indices are adjacent. So we cannot pick any two consecutive indices. And the second operation is flip the values at the picked indices, that is change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Then we will swap the values. If it is 0 we will change it to 1 and otherwise change it to 0. For example, if S is the string and the string is 1 1 0 1 1 0, if we are picking the indices 1 3 and 6, which is 1 3 and 6, then we change this value to 0, this to 0 and this to 0, then the string becomes this, and we will get this. And we cannot pick this value because 2 and 3 indices are consecutive one. So we have to find the minimum number of operation which is required to convert all the characters of string S to 0. Here is the input format, which is T for test case, N for size of a string, and then the second line is the inputting of a string, and the output format is the number of minimum operations. Here is the simple input, which is which one is test case. For test case equal to 3, n equal to 6, and this is the string which is 101001. Let us understand 101001. Yeah, 101001. This is the array. Then our approach is to look for any two consecutive one. Here we will compare this element with this, no consecutive one, this with this, no consecutive one, this with this, no consecutive one, this with this, no consecutive one, and at last no consecutive one. No consecutive one. So how many operation is required? We can select first this string and change it to 0, this to 0, and this is 0, and at last this to 0. Then this all becomes 0. Then number of operation is equal to 1. Let's look for the second case. If all elements are 0, then number of operation is exactly 0. And if all elements are 1, third case, if all elements are 1, then how can we determine that all elements are 1? We can count number of ones, or we can compare the consecutive ones. Then this is true, this is true. Consecutive ones true. Then number of operation is 2. First we select this element and change it to 0, and this to 0, and in first step and in second step this to 0. Then number of operation is 2. So here are the three cases. If all 0, answer is 0. If any consecutive one, answer is 2. If no consecutive one, answer is 1. Here are the three cases. Let's code this. This is the solution. Here I am checking for 0. I am basically counting 0, and if it is equal to n, which means all elements are 0, then the output will be 0. Because all elements are 0, then we don't need any operations to perform. And here I am checking that any consecutive ones, if it occurs, then I am entering cons 1 with 1. If cons 1 is not 1, we will return 0, 1, otherwise we will return 2. This is the main code, you can see. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also share this video if you want.